In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a story video with Sora 2. Whether you're an aspiring content creator or just someone who loves turning imagination into a visual experience, using Sora 2 to craft story videos can be both fun and rewarding. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open the Sora 2 app or visit the website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. If you're new to Sora 2, you might need an invitation to get access, so ensure you have that sorted out before proceeding. Once you're logged in, look for the Create Video button. Clicking this will start the process of bringing your story to life. Next, you need to enter your story prompt. This is where your creativity comes into play. Type in the essence of your story. For example, you could write something like, a young girl finds a glowing stone in a forest and it transforms into a small dragon under moonlight. Keep it simple, or as detailed as you want. The choice is yours, reflecting the narrative you wish to unfold. At this point, you have the option to upload an image. While this step is completely optional, it can add a visually compelling layer to your project. If you choose to include an image, Sora 2 will animate or base the scene on it, enhancing the overall richness of your story video. This is also the time to tweak any settings for your video. Adjust the length if you have a specific duration in mind. You can explore different styles to match the tone of your narrative, or add sound elements if they're available in your version of Sora 2. This customization helps ensure that your video matches exactly what you envision. After setting everything up, it's time to hit the Generate Video button. This is when Sora 2 works its magic, processing your story and bringing it to life. Depending on the complexity of your video and the traffic on the platform, this step might take a little time, so be patient while it works. Once the generation process is complete, you'll see a preview of your video. This stage is crucial because it allows you to make any necessary adjustments. If a particular scene doesn't quite capture what you had in mind, you can trim or even regenerate those sections until it's perfect. Finally, when you're satisfied with how your story video has turned out, you have the options to download it or share it directly from the platform. Whether you're saving it for personal use or posting it to share with friends or followers, your story video is now ready for the world to see. And that's it. You've successfully created a story video using Sora 2. I hope this guide was helpful and inspires you to continue crafting beautiful, imaginative narratives in video form. Happy creating!